Good morning from Sapporo, New Chitose airports in Japan. Today, we will be flying to Tokyo Haneda airports on ANA's oldest active passenger aircraft. Check-in was pretty quick at the staffed counters, and after that, we went upstairs to the viewing area. Up here, you get a fantastic view of aircraft departing and arriving. The food options are also pretty decent, so if you have time, it's definitely worth it to get something before your flight. Off we go to our gates. Today we will be departing from Gate 9. Our flight today will take us south from the island of Hokkaido and into the main Honshu Island. The expected flight time is roughly 1.5 hours. Making her way in is today's Boeing 777. This beauty is registered as Juliet Alpha-755 Alpha and is 28 years old. This makes her the oldest active passenger aircraft in ANA and in fact the world's second oldest 777-300. The oldest is Bravo-Hotel November Foxtrot, which belongs to Cathay Pacific and is a mere 2 weeks older. The flight number today is NH58. Boarding was done by groups and happened on time. I'm excited to see the interior cabin of this aircraft. Welcome on board ANA Flights NH58. It's a pretty full flight today, and after stepping on board, the cabin crew were quick to greet everyone. Today, I'm in seat 17A. This is in the economy area, and over here, seats have a pitch of 31 inches and a width of 17 inches. The seats do not have an adjustable headrest, however, are still fairly comfortable in my opinion. Looking outside, we are just seated in front of the Pratt & Whitney engine. Overall, this 777 has a very nostalgic feel and takes me way back to flying as a kid. At 11:30 AM, the aircraft was prepared for pushback. As we left the gates, a Pokemon safety video was played on the TV screens. Even more nostalgia. Checking out the tray table, it is spacious and has a cutout for drinks. Inside the seat pockets, there is a Boeing 777 safety card. Under the armrest is a very retro control panel. I do wonder if this still plays any music, however, no earphones were provided to test out. About 30 minutes into the flight, the cabin crew came around to serve drinks. This was the only item offered, and today I got a cup of Coke. Before I knew it, we were making our way down to Tokyo Haneda airports. Let's go through today's ratings. Starting with the cabin crew, I didn't have much interaction with them on this short flight, however, everything went very smooth. The service was great, so I'm giving them a 9 out of 10. For food and drinks, the only thing offered was a drink. This isn't surprising, but for comparison, I flew with Airdo to Sapporo before and they provided premium chips in addition to a drink. Keep in mind, Airdo is a budget airline, so I expect ANA to do better. Considering this, I'm giving this category an 8 out of 10. Next, for comforts, these seats were pretty comfortable, but there was no in-flight entertainment system. As well as this, no power points or USB charging ports are available. This isn't surprising for ANA's oldest aircraft, so I'm also giving this category an 8 out of 10. As we make our way into Tokyo Bay, we were told the expected arrival time would be 1:20 p.m. This is a 10-minute delay, which isn't too bad, so for timeliness, this category gets a 9.5 out of 10. Adding everything up, we get a final score of 8.6 out of 10. In one word, I would describe today's flight as simply nostalgic. Thank you to everyone who have subscribed and welcome to the world's biggest city, Tokyo. Do you love aviation and traveling? If so, please remember to subscribe before leaving to ensure you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you for watching today. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and be sure to leave a like. Take care and see you next time.